Greetings to our cherished subscribers and viewers right here on Pinax TV, a YouTube channel. So if you are new here to your channel, say wait me abahasi about bibia yede to hasino. One important update I am per se your subscribers mom say ewa hasino. So today as the 21st of May 2019. Now information about better Pinax TV and 9 as soon as rapper EL Buden Chobumona Shilele VGMA award winner. Ene asema beto yen nase anase yen nine so ene say EL wenya accident na accident no okonya wo Madina Opungulo road ne so na by information e by nkofo bebre ekeka ne omuni mfa ho ene de obia kan ye na EL ya admit na to hospital we so Canada we so Canada na ye hwa Pinax we took ye fast asem we as a tax ye behwehwe mu ehu ni akwakoto EL say hospital kwa Pinax ye beko akwa cover baby bia asem ni si ye bia ye beko na bra ye duadua nsensemi mu a ye pese ye hwe ne course ankasa no eno na ye ko hu sampa EL wan sheda anye den we prabia sa it was just a minor accident ne car no kwampo no bibibia sheda entity hum na metiefo senya imuhu ye our social media so how people were saying it so Pinax really did a thorough investigation like you video ye dey ba back whatever we are saying no video hu EL gina hono mo ne car no so gina hono ma you can see say EL is absolutely fine car no so it's in a good shape in for video ye wo and as a video trending our social media so I per se mini na mo share as being shown on the screen so no eno na muhu eno
Oh, what's the big no man? Hey, look at that. Away, but down for it. But down for it. No, you know.
I didn't make it a national. What I say, yeah. You're not going
You have to take a video. You have to talk to them. No, now you're saying advantage with you. Yeah, he doesn't want people to see them, that's why.
See how they lock down the trauma, so to farm start.
Oh, yeah, but me
Jerry cried the organa, and TSA about watching the Swamotum, but on the own Johnny.
I don't buy some I lock it down.
She all buy you and or buy it to Honum.
Yeah.
SS about the high radio for your mama, you cool. Okay.
Lock down a buy and see. My husband, yeah,
Ampa, yeah, trainable. High radio for you say, Mama, you cool. Yeah, special, official from High Radio.
Mama, wedding gifts and brand here.
With your own Baby draw now, I said I'll shopping. What do you say? I said I'll and Cassandra, how do you so do David to me? What do you buy? Oh, nice. Say, be cool.
Yeah, we are doing.
Very good. Why is sweet and some more? I can't see 2 days paid, and I 1 day. And I 2 days. Hey. You see a drew bejo de atrema. Hey, drew you good ankasa. All right, you cool. You cool. Also, only fans need interactive. Good. I mean, so interactive. It's been a long time. Yeah.
I see.
I mean, Jaiwo, interactive. Could you parfait ni abe few? Ya brace, brace.
Yes, more.
Yeah. Anyway, it's Jaiwo. Why? All right. Bye bye.
That idiot, James, debe no. O yare wo ho. Kwasia. Onim nyansa. Onim nyansa nka onye sam kwasia de na oye no. Fool, you have my filler. Bring it out. You think I have time for your nonsense, eh? Bring the filler out. I say, if I feel an bra, kwasia crazy she now wo kan asem no. Ono no ofri. Ofri. Na nyam kwasia de wate. And that situation you're talking about, don't put them into trouble. Oh. Don't put those people into trouble. I beg you. How about them? Try me and see. You think I have time for you? Me, I made some what secrets. Yeah. Who said pompo about motu? But I must have a rebel to me home. But the money of the money of yeah. For yeah. Oh, no, how about to home? Hello, myself, who last minute? Me.
Yo,
Hello.
hello, congrats.
Thank you.
Charlie, James need to forget, no forget. Yeah, I woke up with Shiano, means rich. I just
Mercy.
yo, Charlie. I actually like a ninja, my why. Catch it like a ninja say the whole Commonwealth for University of Ghana. Like, you feeling rough. You
But I
feeling.
got you.
All right, sure. Have a good night, yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mrs. in the bill.
Oh. I don't even know the person. Oh, forget. I don't have time for cheap he goods.
Hi,
Hi.
how you doing, Sister Zandy?
I'm fine.
Okay. Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
But you know what? Don't pay attention to your fans that are misbehaving, okay? Just leave them. See, some
Yeah,
people they want
my
attention so that they
fans
can hide.
don't misbehave. My fans don't misbehave. It's just foolish, stupid goats that wants to misbehave, and my fans don't misbehave because people who love you and are your fans don't misbehave. They rather show you genuine love.
But you just don't pay attention to them, okay? See now you're the new missus, like the latest. Oh, your wedding pictures were nice. Like I really
Thank
admire the
you.
wedding. Oh,
Thank you.
stay safe, okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
So I'll be a little.
Oh, network no. Network no. Those of you who are still doubting if really you've made so many innocent people unhappy in this life, you've broken lots of homes. Really, please name just one home I broke, eh? I need that home. The name of that home. You are mad, stupid, foolish idiots. Rubbish.